Cue the energy. Welcome to a minute of muscle wisdom as we delve into the Romanian deadlift, your key to powerful hamstrings and a robust lower back. Step 1. Position your feet hip-width apart. Grip the barbell pronated, hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Remember, a strong core is your foundation. Step 2. Initiate your movement by hinging at the hips, keeping your back straight and chest raised. Lower the barbell towards the floor with a slight knee bend. Step 3. A neutral spine is key. It targets the hamstrings while safeguarding your lower back. Step 4. Lower the barbell along your legs. Feel that hamstring stretch. Keep the bar close for optimal form. Step 5. At the bottom. Engage your hamstrings and glutes. Return to start. Control is key. Step 6. Breathe. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you ascend. A steady rhythm enhances performance. Step 7. Avoid back rounding or overextending at the top. Proper form equals maximized benefits. And there you have it, the Romanian deadlift, simplified. Share your favorite deadlift variations in the comments and subscribe for more fitness insights. Together, we're building stronger hamstrings. Don't forget to explore our other workout guides and stay tuned for more fitness revelations. Until our next minute of muscle, keep lifting towards your goals.